Gentlemen, you know the rules. Protect yourself at all times and listen to my commands. When I say stop, you stop. Fight hard, fight fair. God bless and keep it real. Step back in your corner.
Here's where Impa Kasanganaem trains. Довлетджан Ягшимурадов has adopted American top team. They want a win over Impa badly because twice he's beat their coach's son, Josh Silver.
Oh, straight into range. Impa once again
behind the jab.
I also think it's worth mentioning, we both picked up on it as they were making the announcements. As they were announcing Impa and the crowd started to boo, Довлет waved it up. He was like, no boos. I love the respect between these two guys. They both know how incredibly talented and skilled and conditioned they are. I mean, are they two of the most dynamic light heavyweights? Apart from yourself, of course, Sean.
Look, I have no delusions of the kind of speed and conditioning these two individuals have shown us. Oh, man. Oh, but Impa's hurt. Impa's hurt. Nice count. Impa's in big trouble here. He's in big trouble. He's in big trouble. Impa Kasanganaem. Довлетджан Ягшимурадov. A championship for Turkmenistan.
Wow. It was amazing. Every time that Impa stepped in that range and let his hands go, he started eating leather instead of delivering it.
The green flag of Turkmenistan.
For the official presentation, we once again welcome back His Excellency Badr Al-Kadi, Vice Minister of Sport. Ladies and gentlemen, inside the PFL Smart Cage, it comes to an end. Just 58 seconds into round number one. He is the winner by knockout and earns the $1 million as the 2024 PFL Light Heavyweight World Champion, Довлетджан Ягшимурадov.
Never before, 5-pound division.
And the first